VacKool low-cost, high-quality cold storages are now available in all Middle East countries, including United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, and Bahrain. These low-cost cold storages and walk-in chillers are suitable for any application above 0 degrees centigrade, such as dairy, poultry, fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, pastries, chocolates, flowers, etc. VacKool low-cost cold storages and walk-in chillers are up to 40% cheaper than conventional cold rooms. Also, energy consumption is up to 50% lower than normal cold storages. Savings on electricity charges will be a few thousand dirhams per month, depending on the size of the cold room. Our basic model of smallest cold room of size 2 meter by 2 meter starts at a price of UAE dirhams 13,000, without shipping and installation charges. These low-cost cold rooms are available from the smallest size of 2 meters by 2 meters to any big size, such as 50 meters by 50 meters. The cooling units are different from the conventional units. We use a patented technology to use small air cooling units for cold storages above 0 degrees centigrade. The installation is very simple and does not require any specialized equipment nor technicians. Also, these units do not require any special maintenance, thus saving thousands of dirhams more per year. We offer 3 years warranty on the cooling units. Our cold rooms and walk-in chillers require only single-phase power supply and do not require high-power rated 3-phase supply. As these cold storages are for saving energy, we recommend opening the doors not more than once in 15 minutes. Otherwise, the cooling efficiency will be affected. The system has already been tested by New York State Energy Research and Development Authority. Also, we can add an alert system for monitoring temperature and electricity. In case of high temperature or power failure, it will give phone calls for up to 5 people. This system works with a SIM card. Our Dubai office supplies these low-cost cold storages and walk-in chillers directly and through partners across all Middle East countries, covering United Arab Emirates, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, Bahrain, Iraq, Jordan, Palestine, Syria, Libya, Egypt, Lebanon, Yemen, etc. VacKool walk-in chillers are suitable for all positive temperature applications. These include storage of meat, fish, seafood, fruits, vegetables, cooked food, pastries, chocolates, flowers, etc. These are also suitable for villas, restaurants, hotels, flower shops, flower wholesale distributors, etc. For flower shops and restaurants, we can provide glass doors. For detailed offer and warranty, please contact our sales office at Sales.en at VackerGlobal.com. Visit our website www.VackerGlobal.com.